IGC News. Mema Owusu akwaba had latest and hot news gwa and amede bremo. Anunti so we subscribe ya bomodi say over subscribe to a channel odi awayan say over click a subscribe button. Now what barely notification we understand new video bia I upload no. When the first person I was abeka a video Afriyie na what like video no give us a thumbs up na fe. Share my offer so na onye bi hwe na wo hu ensema ekoso e wo Ghana memo ya. Yada so gina ye Agyapadie book e no na ye sembebre bi e ka ho asem. Onye nya copy of book no kenkan ya check the comment section no. Me the link na to wo so download it na so nya dade na kenkan ensema ya tro e ye sa Agyapadie book ni. Eye Akufo Addo de nkofo ni nya no ne busuafo kwa won person so a won be capture eye Ghana tese won really Ghana properties in Nama ye one abusion for now. One sem and one eating in a ye Agyapadie. Nana ye president ever community our chese and some will book no a fabrication as a been a body team or doctors house semono. And some of the woman nina but dead, nina dead, pepe, she super. And now over the country say a fabrication. And when I sent to me back also day and some of the different angle about the two fire Agyapadie book you a year gold me. The mineral resources require one be first one be captain na wada sansem nyina edi na yesemre na yenkutie aye ensem aye secretary editu bia na me ka go say we are check comment section no link na wo ho na also download the copy of Agyapadie book na also nya botre na kinkan aye ensem a wo sa book ni yenkutie aye ensem aye secretary editu bia for aye sa Agyapadie book ni yenti ni nsem a wo de etubia yenti
document na nianimu no there was some of the normally be ha ni padi bi akenkan ni nyina ya buku ya tro be a friend forward na me kind from paragraphs no a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 the 11th paragraph of the forward no am some majority akenkan bi about the 11th one no na menemo ebegina me ne yedi nkomo. This particular document, aye, ofori penny fee, and omatrase, aye manwa, you omudibu Ghana. Na, so person who said ye Ghana ekwa, when your book we ya obete system nase. Because this particular book, no, ofori penny and wade chile. Na sakrata we ya krata, and no nature the direction of Ghana. It from day one, you have another better so. And the baby see a neck. And in the next 10-20 years, on person or hijack Ghana. No. Way are your documenter or me move. Now, paragraph 11 no, was it to be specific. We need to strengthen our effort to control the mineral resources as well as the electricity and water institutions. The success of the project depends on the way in which we, Ayananado, Bawumia, Akufo and will be our Baba Casa Fabuque. We, for the time being, control the judiciary and the press. Was say, I was say, to me control a from Agudie. Your minerals, your gold, your tuo, your snow, your Agyapadie from Agudie about the dom. I was say, control. Now come by no me faswa on to their control. I was so control snow. Tianiye, I say your gold, say your diamond, say your bauxite, and BBR. I was so control. I was so control electricity. I was so control the success of every Ghanaian. I was so control judiciary. No, I control the press. And what control Central for? What control judiciary? I hear your court system. No more control in snow. No more control electricity. No more control mineral resources. Enemy a kaho. Wamu say, I was set wamu control. Na yankon say, are they controlling or they are not controlling? This is the 36 pages of Professor from Boateng. Tobuasi. Nanyantemau. Number one, Yanni can come say, NPP Fuano, are they controlling a former Gudiana? Yes. Number one, yes. Reason any. What say? Me go page 29 of the document. Page 29. The last paragraph. Door close. What say? The impunity in the eastern region is exemplified by near unbelievable activity in Chebi. I had a telephone call from Mr. Erikanchi. This is the document and the report of galamsey activity in Ghana. Now me read it. What say? What can paragraph 11 of the Agyapadie document? Okasa yafa, that is the forward. Paragraph 11 forward. What say? To be specific, we need to strengthen our effort to control the mineral resources as well as the electricity and water institutions. The success of this project depends on the way in which we, for the time being controlled, the judiciary and the press. And I'm tell say, ampa, the Agyapadie document, ekano, eyanokre. Because so about the last paragraph of page 29 of Professor from Boateng, the document, was it the impunity in the eastern region is exemplified by near unbelievable activity in Chebi. I, Professor from Boateng, had a telephone call from Mr. Erikanchi of the office of the president. And he, Erikanchi, narrated that the youth organizer of the NPP in Chebi was excavating for gold in a field close to the house of His Excellency, the President of the Republic. When we checked, it was true. Indeed, part of the garden of the President had been affected. Akufo Addo said it was some control gold. And now we can send me a battleground so say. Akufo Addo bebano. O can send me. What say? NPP for the Ghana. Sammy, me pay Juma. Ama yamranti ani yamaba wano. Beba me galamsey mu. Anya no kura ochana. Ampa wamampani Akufo Addo ba ye no. Wame galamsey mu. But Akufo Addo trase hu say. Omu tu afama gudia no. Aya small scale mining no. Ohu ne say. Omu yandi sifuo. Enti awase woyi wo mu fra adwumam. Na wadi adwuma no. Na chamifuo. Na wadi adwuma no. Na ne boys. Na wadi adwuma no. Na nebusuafuo. Na wadi adwuma no. Na onu ankasa Akufo Addo no. Omutu na omoche. Enti mama yemisa say. Omampani Akufo Addo ba ya no. Wadi na konwa to so say. Wadi na konwa to galamsey fight so. Ebe wi atire no. No mampani Akufo Addo ankasa gadi mu. Na ye to galamsey. Na nadu dan ko Akufo Addo hu say. Ye to gold won gadi mu. Akufo Addo ankasa because what the garden no de ma brantia ne yamiente e wo gold ho. Na nadu e de garden no e de ma brantia ne yamiente Say one to gold, no. No woman chair. Let me tell you, Professor from Boakye, I saw report to where we are 19th of March 2021. Ebedim edina nadu table so more than 1 year, 2 years, and send a document we appear bonting. Ghana for woman you Mr. President Akufo Addo say, Edian and no hide because gold, you know, what can we Japanese document mu say? I was say omu control. Number 2, the Abamu wa say the Japanese document eka say was some control gold, you know. Mama min chimon ko etire kakra. Na nanu nan ko Akufo Addo ne Bawumia be ka che Ghana for say. Wo mo atresie hu say ya oye obo edendodo. Enti sabi ya petrol bu be form ni nti no. I was so many ade bia your friend gold for oil edeba. Ghana for in order to control our gold. Na nanu nan ko Akufo Addo ne Bawumia ka bo mu. It's a Ghana from a good year to gold. Na done Bawumia de Ghana for your sick taxpayers' money. And the Koto gold that would war. I know Mrs. Go bottom. I know Masu any Dubai. Almost so much gold for oil. No Akoto be diaba. Let me tell you something. Menewumi enu kasane. Abrantia your friend Alistair Matthias. Eba Bontiba can say. Woman penina nadu dan kwa Akufo Addo di gold ne kwa. No ma kwa Akoto. Sika no mbenya no na Akufo Addo atene say e de akwa Akoto bank. E no mo enjoy. Some way Kennedy Agyapong ba Bontiba can say. Eye say yenye gold for oil. Now Kennedy Agyapong can say we are gold obi wo oil. Ade na Akoto gold no. Na wunya sika. Na Akofa me man. No Koto oil, no one farmer. Sending Rano in other way to control our minerals, to control a former good yentino. Now so much we fast aquan so. No mu your gold. Million Ghana for me catch no beer and a day. Say, some person Ghana yafa hudia, a tosumi anua, a Akufo Addo Bawumia, and your oxen. Medical can pain, but catch a Ghana for Nase. Sanka Bawumia, Blanka Bawumia, and you want your Akufo Addo Nanamwa, and you Bawumia ni Akufo Addo Nanamwa, and Anka Ghana for the Cassayan so Bawumia. Now we don't call Akufo Addo aka, Sawa ni Bawumia Nanam, Adia Bio Bawumia na ya, Wani Bawumia na Soria, Wani Bawumia na Didie, Wani Bawumia na Fadre, Wani Bawumia na Jene Ghana ho. Enti so mumi anu aka bo ma sai Ghana kwa koduru ba bia du ya. Wa mo ba ya de den no ma ka se yen so Bawumia hwe. Ye so Bawumia ha Bawumia be mia yen. Ye so Bawumia ha Bawumia ba sa yen so ya ma yen. We cannot try to allow obia your friend Bawumia mia so ni din so. Ama ni memia yai. Yen to me ma ye ho kwan. Akufo Addo can say yen so ni hwe. And now I am so hamayen. Ye baya ni day ni yama ho kwan enye adwuma. Ba ka kire mo say what can come professor from Boakye the document e be kire mo hu say ani o mo kan paragraph 11 of the forward no e ye no kre. Let's move to electricity. O mo kan wo mo say they will control electricity. Ye te Ghana ha and a president Akufo Addo obaye and no for PDS and no did Ghana electricity for Bosomen song and no bua sika ni nyina no and no chedi ye mama yemi president Akufo Addo say one brabonte me country Ghana for the 7 months of electricity bills we am gen wa Ghana ha no sika no wai Ghana for and na me no mianu Akufo Addo mo so me control nsuo boka so omoboa ene yensuo wa Ghana nyina no ahono ensuo wa Ghana ha nyina sai ensuo wa Ghana ha nyina ya destroy no wo man si apini o wo man si apini ene ya sai Ghana ene Akufo Addo ne Bawumia and destroy the future of this nation and no more destroy the future of this nation called Ghana. Are we going to sit down and fold our arms and allow Akufo Addo and Bawumia to destroy this nation? No. Look, Bukuwe. Eye nyamiyama o. Became in some town na. We yamba show. Na no. Mean to be famu kwetire. Ba ma menka portion kakra. Yakoni akwakotie President Akufo Addo. Akufo Addo be kacha Ghana fo. Sabukuwe. Eye wo be na aye opeso odigu nanim ase. Wo mampani Akufo Addo boa. Bukuwe yo mubu kwam ye. Agyapadie document from Temi. Agyapadie document. A konyo me faso me control Ghana. Now let me tell you something. Mama yen konko he nanado. Yen konko tie nanado. Na yen tie Akufo Addo nsem. Na yen mi samira me bisa Akufo Addo say. Enu ma atwere no buku no mu no. Eya no kra na yen no kra. Mama yen konko he nanado mra. Yen kobra.
In 2016, it was alleged by sympathizers of the opposition that I had killed my late wife. Today, with a few months to the December 2024 elections, they are at it again. A fabricated document entitled Agyapadie is being passed around by operatives of the opposition as evidence of the grand scheme by my party to annex the state, the assets of the state. These experiences underscore the importance of discerning truth from falsehood and the need for all of us to remain vigilant against the dangers of misinformation and disinformation. As we approach the 2024 general elections, we have to address these challenges head-on. We should take proactive measures to curb the spread of false information and ensure that the public has access to accurate and reliable information. In today's digital age, the media, both traditional and digital, is central to shaping public opinion.
Very good. Mama yemi so man pani Akufo Addo say what's it documented fake and you fabricated. We are simply going to ask the man say and some let me tell you something, fellow Ghanaians. I am telling you, say, every single document way and some woman over 90% abem. Mami can assemble infantry money. Mami from this area. Page 28, the first paragraph. Under Owusu on closure of opposition media. What say? We score as Owusu 70% for her execution of the agenda to close down pro-NDC radio station and television stations. Was while we praise her for closing media entities such as Radio SYZ, Capital Radio, Muntia FM, and many more, she scores some low marks in the implementation of the strategy. We expected her to leave Radio Gold from the list for obvious tactical reasons. She could have waived their debt like she has done for the friendly station such as Ash FM in Kumasi. She could have fired for the avoidable backlash in strategy, but for her long-standing roles as Nana Yamraha. Ose, Owusu, and Owusu. Was so much catch Owusu say. One make sure say radio stations, Aya NDC Diano Omuno, and Pennyampa. Owusu to me ya Jumani ye. And the radio station to say Radio SYZ, any Capital Radio, any Muntie FM. Mama Yemi Sanse Misa say, Anyanyambia Capital Radio, Radio SYZ, any Muntie, Ogunwana Sawuno. Yet to Radio SYZ mu close to 3 years. Mama Yemi say, Otumu ana wantum. Etia Yadana Akufo Addo kase, a fabricated document. Mama Safa Murem. Make what kind another one in trouble. Kweku Annan. Under Dr. Kweku Annan. One also be yewom. No mo yoma je say. Akonya wo mefa so a. Wo mo de be collapse Dr. Kweku Annan company. Omo ba be started. Let me tell you. Samira Afriyie mekamo. Mokai. Sa ebremi there was a program here a course. I think Sports Stadium. Ama Adom Cobites. Ano mo savo no ho. Ebe wiatie no, wo mo de ba bonte be ka se mrantie ni bi. Ano nom ya bobo ya manu mo ye no. That was one of the strategy. So munya so. And from collapse Adom Cobites. Read the document. Starting from page 29. Akonya omafaswa. Dr. Kweku Annan number rendered useless sa Ghana ha. Eto mu yo ma say Kweku Annan baba ya ye friend Francisca Oten awoso mu hu kwan yo mafaswa wo mu de be dealing with the lady because we don't sack lady no a we don't sack yakane papa eti e kwan be no mafaso e no mu twa no mu say wo mu make it your Francisca e be free parliament yemi say enkofo mu yi wo mu say they've assigned Sammy Jomuadu and Tamawuntumi to deal with Francisca Oten and now me no kasei. Let the next parliament on Kobim into any hobim. She said the final year our parliament and our honor will yawn Kobim. A young man for Joku would say this Agyapadie document and Yanokre, but me can na Amobiati as document we any woman was one. Absolute truth. Look, your imagine say they want to control the judiciary for the next 20 years. Eti Omampani Akufo Addo just said, "We be failing the judicial system." And now me no kasei. Sasia kura me no kasei. There were two outstanding judges. For the first time in the history of this nation, Gertrude Araba Esa Motokunu. Atumia catch on penny say, ya wa judge for numbia. I was so do amu sister by. Now to amu sutum. No make judge for ho. Sha, I've already told you say. Akwa we ya na je say. Yampel. Obe control the media landscape. Obe control the judicial system. Obe control everything here wom. But yes, you can na manati as you say. I grew up in a woodie. Now, what boada? Me family, na me de kono. Aye baby, wamade asentia pitu. Ebaye. Na ura the area of baby, wade asentia pitu. Ebe ura munwa. Eyo mampeni Akufo Addo. Ne sese ya. Waya yese. Omone Russia. Ebe kabum no more dealing with Ghana. And no could Russia who can consult America. Eti mai no na nkonu na ebe be ginem. Wana na Wagner for domano. Wono and Akufo Addo shase se woni ni diri. Wono ana na nse plane crash ehete ya owu ye no. Woman penina na do dan Akufo Addo de. Ghana fo me come ne ana matiase se akwa no wadwemmone at the fa Ghana ho. Na dwemmone o wo fa Ghana ho no opese wo destroy this nation. But here Akufo Addo, let me tell you. Asema me ka tire na mu atiase ne say. Wo pamu ohufu a oto ne bema. Coming out to tell Ghanaians say, yes we kunwire, yes we yevui, yes we yevui. Yankeo and fire. So be kunwire, so be kuma, so be yadeng and fire mubia. But the Akatron say, Ghana wenwa yetimuno, and yaw mame dia, and na onyo papa dia. O papa fie no nya no ni ma ho no. Ghana nka ho. We will not allow you to destroy this nation called Ghana. This useless document you people designed called a Agyapadie document. Okyehene. Mommy Okyehene na memfa sorry. Man who your friend Okyehene no. Why your press conference kasafa ho. Na papa panimu na nya me nwanwa. Munti Okyehene. Munti no. Okyehene. Utie nsem Okyehene kae. Na wo hwe ne nsem. Ni wo bisa se hey, Mr. Boakye. Now we are taxi driver of America on theater was. Mr. Boakye. Now we taxi of American theater was. I am on Tomobo. Na Ghana nyamodia. Said you must see a Ghana sema fan wano. Medical catcher must say, one day, we'll be Chania Jagana to.
You're waiting for winning and some years to be added to that in the Agyapadie book you are and Sammy Bree. I don't know Ghana for air trainer Serenia Passa. Now, the council says, a copy and share the Modia check a comment box. Also, near copy of Agyapadie bookie, also King Grammy and some of the Akoto and some of natural fun. You want to be in state capture. Or my Agyapadie a Timafia for we person one dinner. Ningina ewo sa bookie the Modia check a comment section or ubinya a copy now so what download it. Now when your time in the break I can kind in several. Make out Jisimi so and a no so we now subscribe ya or Modia say over subscribe is answer hadie latest and hot news in kwa enamede bremo. Also bet me actually what you fire and somewhere in our comment box mobeti in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.